In this video, I want to show you how to link to a specific module on a web page, either from the same page, from a different page, or from a different website. For example, on RMIOUFT, on the bookstore kiosk, you will see there is a menu. If I click, for example, on the Abundant Life series, it will jump to the Abundant Life series without you having to scroll down to find it. At the bottom of the section or module is a back to menu. So if I click on it, it will immediately jump back to the menu without me once again having to scroll up to go to the menu. The same if I click on the packets for women, it will jump to the packets, and then I can just go back to the menu by clicking on this button. So now I'm going to show you how to achieve this. So I'm busy creating a new page. I'm going to call it Abundant Life. And now I'm just going to launch Beaver Builder. Now I'm going to start adding my modules. You can link any module like a text editor or a picture or a video module. Very important to remember that if you want to link to a specific item on your page, that you use separate modules for this. So I'm going to add on this page 3 separate text editors. The first one will be my menu. For example, let's say, what is the life question mark? And my second one will be living the abundant life. That's my first module that I'm going to use as a menu. Then I'm going to add the text editor. And I'm going to add my first 2 paragraphs here. And then I'm going to add another text editor. I'm going to call it Living the Abundant Life. And then I'm just going to copy some paragraphs to add there. And save. So now the next step will be to give each module that you want to link to an ID or a name. So I'm going to start with my menu. And then you're going to go to Advanced, scroll down to ID. So now I'm going to give this one the name menu. Also very important to keep your links clean is to use either abbreviation as ID or only one word. So this one will be menu. Then I'm going to go to my second one. I'm going to give this one the ID. What is the abundant life? Abbreviation. And then the final one, I'm going to call Living the Abundant Life, abbreviation, and save. So now I want to link these 2 modules in my menu. I'm going to go to the first item and I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to click on the link, but I'm not going to add anything here. I'm going to go to the edit link. Now I'm going to start with hashtag. Now I'm just going to add the ID that I gave my first module. I'm not going to open it in a new tab, so I'm just going to say add link. Then I'm going to do the same for the second one. Hashtag and the second menu module's ID. And add link. Save. Now I'm going to test it, so I'm going to publish my page. So let's see if I click on the first one, you'll see it jumps to the first module or paragraphs. If I click on the second one, it will jump to my second module. Now I want to add the back to menu, for example, so I'm going to add it to the second module at the bottom. Just going to open my editor. And I'm going to say back to menu. And I'm going to link it. Again, I'm just going to go to the link editor and I'm going to say hashtag menu, which was the ID I gave the first menu module. And I'm going to say add link, save. Done, and publish my page. So let's see if it works. And click on Living the Abundant Life. And then I'm going to click to menu and it's jumping back. If you want to get the link, for example, to the second module, you click on the menu item, you'll see there's your link in your URL bar. So it's going to be your website, the page, and then the hashtag and the module ID. So if you want to use this link for another page or to link to it from another website, you can just copy this URL and use it wherever you want to use it. This is how you link to specific modules on a web page.